In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Monday.com. Whether you're working late hours or simply prefer the sleek look of a darker theme for your workspace, switching to dark mode can be a real eye-saver. Plus, it's a great way to give your Monday.com interface a fresh, modern look. Let's dive right into how you can achieve this in just a few steps. The process is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to make your transition to dark mode as seamless as possible. Before we get started, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account. This is essential for the changes to take effect. Once you're logged in, this initial step is more about orientation and getting you to the right starting point. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. This little icon might seem insignificant at first glance, but it's actually your gateway to a myriad of settings and customizations for your account, including dark mode. Now, go ahead and click on your profile icon. After clicking the profile icon, navigate to find the Change Theme option. Don't worry, this won't change anything right away. Instead, it will bring you to a menu where you can select your preferred theme. The option to change the theme might not be immediately obvious among various account settings and notifications, but it's there, so take your time to locate Change Theme, because this is where the real magic begins. Upon finding Change Theme, hover over it, and you'll be presented with a few different options. These options are essentially different color schemes that you can apply to your Monday.com environment. Look for the option that says Dark. It's usually represented with a darker color palette icon, making it easily distinguishable from the rest. Once you spot it, click on it. This action will trigger the transformation of your interface from the standard light theme to a much cooler, easier on the eyes dark mode. Now, you might be wondering why dark mode is such a big deal. Well, besides being aesthetically pleasing, dark mode can significantly reduce eye strain. In low light conditions, it transitions those bright background colors to darker shades, reducing the amount of light emitted by your screen while maintaining the necessary contrast for readability. This feature is particularly beneficial if you're working late hours or spend a lot of time in front of your screen. Switching to dark mode on Monday.com not only adds an extra layer of comfort to your workday, but it also introduces a new vibe to your digital workspace. The darker theme can help you focus better on tasks by minimizing distractions on your screen. It's a simple adjustment with noticeable benefits in terms of aesthetics and functionality. Remember, the change to dark mode is specific to your user profile on Monday.com. It doesn't affect anyone else on your team, so you can enjoy your preferred theme without impacting your colleagues' views, making it a personal choice for your digital workspace. So, whether you gravitate towards darker themes or you're aiming to reduce your screen's brightness for comfort, switching to dark mode on Monday.com is an excellent way to tailor your experience to suit your preferences. And just like that, you've successfully enabled dark mode on Monday.com. The process is simple, but the impact on your daily work experience can be profound. Remember, it's all about making the platform work best for you. So don't hesitate to explore other customization options available within Monday.com to further enhance your productivity and overall platform enjoyment. That wraps up our guide to switching to dark mode on Monday.com. We hope this video has been helpful. Feel free to experiment with this new look, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to optimize your use of Monday.com. Happy working!